I'm Adil Kumar. Welcome to my series on exponents. Here is worksheet 2 on exponents. I hope you have already seen and learned from worksheet 1 where we talked about basics of how to evaluate exponents. Now let's see how to evaluate expressions when some values are given to us involving exponents, right? So here are 6 examples for you. You can pause the video, answer these questions, and then, as usual, look into my solutions. So let's begin with the first one, which is 3x cubed, where x equals to 2. So by this time, I think you can use the words cube and squares, correct? So if power is 3, we say cube. 3x cubed when x equals to 2. Let me rewrite here. 3x cubed. So we'll do part A now. 3x cubed. And we want to substitute x equals to 2. It really means instead of x, write 2 within brackets. Try to use brackets. So that is what you get. So 2 cubed is what? 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So you could write like this. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, right? So what you get here is 3 times 8, which is 24. So that is your answer. Okay? So that is how you have to solve all these questions. I'll prefer if you show all these steps. Now let's take a B, which is pi r square, where r is equal to 10. Now the value of pi you can always take as 3.14. Right? That is standard value of pi. Now, pi is 3.14. Let me write down here. 3.14 for pi. Okay. So we'll replace pi with 3.14. So we get 3.14 times r square. I've taken 10 with a purpose. You don't need calculator. 10 squared is 100, correct? So what you get here is 3.14, times 100. So that moves decimal to 2 different places to write, makes number 3 as 300. So it becomes 314. Does it make sense? Correct? 314. So that is how you could do it. Now let's do part C and D. Part C. 1 over a square plus 1 over b square, where a equals to 2, b equals to minus 2. So let's write 2 for a. So we get 1 over 2 square plus 1 over b square, which is minus 2. Minus 2. It's kind of important that we should always write our numbers in brackets, right? So that we don't do a mistake. So I'll make brackets here. Brackets. If you don't use brackets, you might do a mistake, right? So that gives us what? 2 square is 4, so it is 1 over 4 plus negative, but the power is positive. Even number, so it makes it positive. So it is again 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 and 1 over 4. When you add these fractions, same denominator of 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. So you get 2 over 4. That gives you half. So that is your answer, correct? Now let's do D. I hope you are getting the same answers. Now we have 1 by 3 pi r square h. As you know, we are taking value of pi as 3.14. So 1 by 3, pi is 3.14, 3.14. R is 2 for us, so we'll write 2 square, and h is 3. Now to calculate, what we can do is, we can simplify it first. 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? So just cancel them. So what you get here is 3.14 times 2 square, which is 4. So multiply this by 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 6, 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, 5, decimal. 4 times 3 is 12. You can estimate also, right? So 4 times 3 is 12, so that is the estimated answer. correct? So that becomes the exact value. I mean, let's round it to one place, one decimal place. We get 12.6 approximately. Does make sense to you, right? So that is how it could be calculated. So let's do the last two examples for the worksheet 2. Substitute the given value and then calculate the expression. C square minus A square, C equals to 13, A equals to 12. Now these are very important formulas which will help you further. That's the whole idea. Now C is 13, so let's write down 13 here. For C, use brackets, 13 square minus A square, which is 12. Now 13 square is 169. So it is 169 whole square minus 144. Now I'd like you to remember squares for numbers 1 to 20. So just write them and square and see them a couple of times. It will always help. I'm sorry, this is just 169. So 169 minus 144. So 9 take away 4 is 5. And 6 take away 4 is 2. So we get 25. So C square minus A square with 13 and 12 is 25. Correct? Okay. Now here we have A times 3 minus B whole square. Take this as your test question. Pause the video, answer, and then look into my solution. Let's substitute. A is 5. Now we'll write 5 this time straight away, without brackets. If the numbers are negative, then it is essential to write with brackets. 3 minus b is 2 to the power of 7. Now here what we get? We get 5 within brackets. 3 minus 2 is 1 to the power of 7. Anything to as a power of 1 will just give you 1, right? So what we get here is 5 times 1, which is indeed equal to 5. Correct? So that is what you get as your result. Now with this exercise, you understand how to apply exponents in different formulas. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. We'll take up more examples on exponents. So continue watching my series on exponents worksheets to master the topic. Feel free to write your comments, share your questions. And if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.